Hello, Standard 7. Your Arun sir, and going to revise maths, and the chapter is Algebra 1 and 2. Dear children, we have already discussed that generalized arithmetic in which literals or variables are used with number, that is algebra. If I am writing 2x, 2 is the number and x is the literals, means letters from A to Z is used with the numbers, that is algebra. That part is clear. Now what type of questions may be there in the algebra? That part is important. First, sometime there may be question that express the following algebraic expression: sum of two consecutive odd integer, or convert the following verbal expression into algebraic expression. To write in algebraic expression, see here, the question is 5 more than twice the number, 5 more than twice 5 more than twice the number x. How to write in algebraic expression? See here, the number is x and twice means 2 into 2 multiplied. 5 more than twice the number x. So twice the number x, 2 into x will be 2x, and 5 more means add, and this is the answer. So if a statement is given and you are asked to write in algebraic expression, read the statement several times and then you will be able to write the algebraic expression. Now, sometimes it may be asked to write this power. Suppose here it is given x into x into x. Write into power, it will be x to the power 3 or x cubed, and that is the answer. Dear children, monomial, binomial and trinomial we have already discussed. If one term is there, monomial, two terms are there, binomial, three terms are there, trinomial, more than three, we can say polynomial. Okay, if I am writing a plus b, then how many terms are there? And terms must be separated by plus or minus, not by multiplication and division. If we will multiply this will become AB, or if we will divide this, it will become this. So these are one term only, one term. So it is monomial, and here it is two term. Okay, two terms. So it is binomial. And don't be confused. If I am writing 2a plus 3a, it is not two term, because a are the like term and it can be added. It will become 5a, and 5a is what? Monomial. So we have understood about the monomial, binomial and trinomial. Next, degree. What is degree of a polynomial? Highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is called as degree. Suppose I am writing 2x square plus 3p cube and asking to find degree. What I have told you, highest power of variable, highest power of variable, and variable is xp. It can be checked. These are the number and the literals are called as variable. So here is 2 and here is 3. So highest power is what? 3. So degree will be 3. Very clear or not? So degree of variable we have understood. And if I am writing like this, P4 plus 3A5 and asking to find the degree. See here, it is alone 5 and here multiplied. Here this will be added. Degree will become 2 plus 4 means 6, not 5, because in highest power this will be added. So that part is clear. We have understood about the degree of a polynomial. Now coming to addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, or let us come to the addition, subtraction and multiplication. Suppose you are asked to find the sum of or add 3A4 and okay AX plus BY minus 2CZ, then 4BY minus 7CZ, then 12AX minus 5BY plus 3CZ and 10AX minus 5CZ. You are asked to add. Dear children, we can follow both the method, horizontal or column method. If we are asked to find or to add by horizontal method, simply write all these things. AX plus BY minus 2CZ, then plus 4BY minus 7CZ plus 12AX minus 5BY plus 3CZ plus 10AX minus 5CZ. One thing you can do here, you can collect the like terms together. Let us collect the like terms together. AX. Now find out, more AX is there. Yes, here is AX plus 12AX. And then after 12AX, This is 10 ax. So ax is finished. Now by plus 4by minus 5by and no by minus 2cz more cz minus 7cz plus 3cz and minus 5cz. What you have seen, I have arranged according to like term. Okay. All the like terms I have collected. See here, ax, all by together, all cz together. Now I will calculate 1ax 13 and 10 23 ax. Now by 4 and 1 5 minus 5 cancel. No by is left because 1 and 4 5 plus 5 by minus 5 by will be cancelled. Now here first find out plus 3 and minus is 7 to 9 and 5 14. 3 minus 14 means minus 11 cz. And this is the answer. And this method is called as column method. This question only, let us horizontal method, let us solve it by column method. Let us solve it by column method. Column method. First make column. Okay. So first write this one. Ax plus by minus 2cz. And first finished. Second by. Write with sign just below the like term. By is this. Here write 4by and minus 7cz. Minus 7cz. So this one is finished. Now again plus 12 in ax. Here 12 ax. Just below this minus 5 by and plus 3cz. Next 10 ax plus 10 ax and minus 5cz. Just do it. Now add. This method is called as column method. 1, 12 on 13 and 10, 23 ax. 4, 1, 5 and minus 5 cancelled. Now 3 minus 7 to 9, 5, 14. 3 minus 14 will be minus 11 cz. And this is the answer. So dear children, both method we have understood, horizontal method and column method. Now coming to the subtraction, let us solve some question related to subtraction. Take one example. subtract 6a square plus 12ab minus 7b square from minus 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b square. Dear children, this is the question to subtract. Now here also we can follow both the method. First, let us come to horizontal method. Subtract this from this means first we will write this one. Subtract 2 from 5 means first we will write 5. So first write minus 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b square. Put it in a bracket. Okay, in subtraction put it in bracket, otherwise you can do mistake. And then subtraction sign, and then write this one 6a square plus 12ab minus 7b square. Dear children, why I have asked you to keep in bracket? Just see. Now open the bracket. Minus 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b square, and if sign of minus is outside the bracket, inside sign will change. This is plus 6a square will become minus 6a square. This plus 12ab will become minus 12ab, and minus 7b square will become 7 plus 7b square. Now you can arrange it according to like terms. Minus 8a square, find more a square is there? Yes. Minus 6a square. Now plus 10ab. 10ab. More ab is there? Yes. Minus 12ab. Now minus 5b square and plus 7b square. What I have done? I have arranged according to like terms. Now you can see minus 8 and minus 6 minus 40a square. 10 minus 12 minus 2ab. 7 minus 5 plus 2b square. And this is the answer. So very easy. Now this question only we will solve by column method. Okay, this part is clear. You have understood. Let us solve it by column method. First, write that thing from means in the beginning we will write minus 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b square, and then this one, that part is clear. We have written. Now according to like term we will write 6a square. It is plus 6a square. So here 6a square plus 12ab plus 12ab and minus 7b square. If we are asked to subtract, the lower sign will change. The numbers lower sign will change. It is plus 6a square will become minus 6a square. It is plus 12ab will become minus 12ab. And this one is minus 7b square will become plus 7b square. And according to this one, the lower side, we will calculate. Now minus 8 and it is not plus 6. It will become minus 6. So minus 8a square and minus 6a square will become minus 14a square. 10 minus 12, it will become minus 2ab. And plus 7b square minus 5b square plus 2b square. And this is the answer. So subtraction is very easy. Now coming to the multiplication. Dear children, addition and subtraction is possible only between the like terms. Okay. Unlike term, there can't be any subtraction or addition. See one example. If I am writing 2a plus 5b, what will be the answer? The answer will remain same because this is a and this is b. They are the unlike terms. And in unlike terms, addition and subtraction is not possible. Addition and subtraction is not possible. So that will be the answer. Very clear. If same question 2a minus 5b, what will be the answer? This will be the answer because no subtraction will take place between the unlike term. Okay, so that part is clear, that addition and subtraction is possible only between the like terms, but multiplication is possible. If I am asking to multiply 2 into x, what will be the result? 2x. Or 2x into 3y. Multiply the number. 3 2s are 6 and xy. 3x square into 4p cube into 5x. Let us find the result. First multiply the number. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 16. So 16. Now x square and 1x, it will become x cube. X square into x will become x cube. And p cube is alone. So p cube, and that is the answer. So dear children, we have understood about the multiplication also. Now let us find some more questions related to multiplication. Okay. If two terms are there and they are asked to multiply, means if I have asked you to multiply 2a plus x by y, what you will do? See here, this whole is multiplied by y. Better to write 2a plus x in bracket and into y. Now 2a into y will be what? 2ay plus sign, x into y, xy, and this is the answer. So that part is clear. Some more question let us discuss. One more question related to multiplication. Multiply minus 2a minus 3b by minus 4a. Dear children, what I have told you, that if two terms or more than two terms are there, put it in bracket. minus 2a minus 3b and into minus 4a. Here, this part is clear. If two minus are multiplied, it will become plus. So minus 2 into minus 4 will be plus a, and a into a will be a square. Very clear? Again, minus 3 into minus 4 will be plus, and 4 3s are 12, and a into b, ab, and this is the answer. So dear children, today we revised about the fundamental concept of algebra and operations in algebra, and I think that concept is clear. You will practice, and if problem is there, you will text me. I will solve and I will send the answer. Thank you very much.